Animal testing is very inhumane. Each year, more than 100 million animals are killed in U.S. laboratories for biology lessons, medical training, curiosity-driven experimentation, and chemical, drug, food, and cosmetic testing. These animals, such as cats, dogs, rabbits, monkeys, hamsters, birds, and etc., all die eventually during animal testing.
Animal testing is and has been a large controversy for many years. I believe this is a valuable way to test the effects of products in a controlled environment before giving them out to the public. Even though everyone hates to see animals suffer, testing new products on animals is important because it is the cheapest way to determine if a product is safe for human use. This is one of many reasons animal testing is important.
Animals are harmed every day from animal testing. Animals are infected with diseases that they could never normally get. Tiny mice grow tumors as large as their own bodies, kittens are purposely blinded, rats are made to suffer seizures, and animal skulls are cut open. All kinds of animals are harmed during this process. Think about your animals in this position. Would you want that?
First of all, we must test these products somewhere, and animal testing is the safest way to be sure that the product is okay for people to use. For example, in 1933, more than a dozen women were blinded from using a permanent mascara called Lash Lure. In one case shown by the National Academy, the ulcers were so severe that a woman developed a bacterial infection and died. Animal testing can help us avoid this in the future.
Animals' experimental treatments are different than humans' results. Scientists are willing to risk the health of patients by relying on animal experiments to predict the effects of drugs in humans, ending in deadly results. An example of human testing gone wrong is Silert. 15 children suffered acute liver failure. 17 animal tests showed an indication of hepatic toxicity could be found.
These animals are being used to test for the next scientific breakthrough that could save millions of lives. Animal testing is used on new medical devices and its ability to function with living tissue without harming the tissue. According to the Food and Drug Administration, some devices use new materials that need biocompatibility testing to make sure it doesn't hurt humans. This applies to things like cardiac valves that have saved millions of lives.
Even though animal testing is a common way to test products, it is often unreliable and unfortunately ends up harming people as well. Animaltesting101.org states animal testing doesn't only hurt the animals, but it gives them a life of a painful suffering ending in a brutal death. Think about yourself and your pets. Would you want this situation for them? I wouldn't.
All in all, I realize how poorly some of these animals are treated. But the advancements we have been able to make because of their testing shows how much this must be done. Testing these products is important, and we don't want our families going in as a replacement. It may be a hard truth to face, but it's one that must be accepted by society until a better option is determined.